In this video, we are going to install Auxbeam's RGB 8-gang switch panel, AR-800. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. When you open the box, it comes with your manual, an Auxbeam sticker, stickers for your switch, approximately 60 pieces, and your switch panels. Here we have your switch assembly, which is IP65 waterproof. You have a voltage input of 12 to 24 volts, your maximum current up to 60 amps. Your power out is 600 to 1200 watts. Your working temperature, negative 40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. Now let's open your switch assembly. When you open it up, behind the case, you have your spare fuses, one of each, and you have your fuse puller. Now we have your switch assembly. These are your terminals to your battery. This is positive, this is negative. This here is your ACC pin. It's a 2-pin connector that connects to your ACC line. This is your 4-pin connector, which connects to your switch panel. Here we have your fuses. Starts off with 2 5, 2 10s, 2 20s, and 2 30 amp fuse. Below that, you have your LEDs, which light up if your fuse is blown. And these are your terminals where you connect your line. Positive, negative with 5 amps, 2, 10, 20, and 30. Easy connection, you just push it in and you screw it down. Inside, you have nice built-in solid-state relay for fast response and low noise levels. This features overvoltage, reverse polarity, overcurrent, and thermal protection. Here we have your 4-pin switch panel. You have unlimited backlight color choices, which can be controlled via app. This here is your auto dim sensor. This is your on and off switch. Your on and off switch does have memory function. These here are lights that will show that your circuit is on. These lights have 3 lighting modes. You have red for your toggle mode, blue for your momentary mode, and green for your pulse mode. Nice thick gauge wire to run from your circuit control box to your battery. Here is your 60 amp circuit breaker, mounting brackets for your switch panel, nice metal, mounting brackets for your circuit control box with different options to mount. We have your nice 10-foot 4-pin cable extension that goes from your circuit control box to your switch panel. This is your 2-pin ACC wire. We have your 5 amp piggyback fuse, a few zip ties to clean up your wiring, and some nuts and bolts to secure your brackets in place. If you're interested in this product, I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below. So I'm going to switch out my older BB80 model to the newer AR-800 model. So I remove the old circuit board and I'm gonna replace it with the new circuit board. I'm gonna use the old bracket. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect my circuit breaker. Connect the short red wire to one end, then the long red wire to the other end. While I'm connecting everything, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the circuit. Then I'm gonna feed this wire to the positive of the battery terminal, the longer wire. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the red wire to the red terminal. Then I'm gonna connect the black, the ground. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my 2-pin ACC wire. That goes right here. Then you want to get your piggyback fuse, connect this to your fuse box, and connect your ACC wire just like that, and then crimp it together. Now I need to determine which one to tap into using a voltmeter. It should be, the fuse should be off right now, no volts, and when I start the car there should be volts. That's what I'm gonna tap into using this piggyback or add a fuse. So first I'm gonna ground this. And there should be no light or no volts going through in what I want to tap into. I don't know if you can see that on camera. So the second one is good, none. Third we have, so the fourth, second, fourth, fifth, and sixth does not have any. So second, third, fourth, and sixth. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. Alright, the second does have voltage. The fourth, that does not, and the sixth doesn't. So let's go with the fourth one. The fourth one is 10 amps. The second one is 7.5. I'd rather go tap into the 10 amp one. Now you run your wire to your fuse box and you just tap into your ACC fuse. Next, you want to get your 4-pin connector to your switch panel, and we're going to go ahead and connect it to here. Right, and you push it in and you snap it into place. This part here, you're going to run it inside your fender, through the firewall, and into your cabin to your switch panel. Now for your switch panel, I got a different mounting bracket. All I have to do, I screwed it only one side. It's not long enough, but that should do. And you just want to slide it in and lock it down into place. Now it's nice and sturdy. Then you take your 4-pin connection from the front to the switch panel and just connect it. Tuck the wires in and you're set. So they start off with switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna go with the low amps. I'm just gonna connect my rock lights to this, which is low amperage, so I'm gonna use a 5, connect it to switch number 8. Now I'm gonna use a 30 amp, which is gonna be switch number 1 for my LED light bar. Now I'm gonna go to 20 amp switch number 3, which is these two right here, for my ditch lights. Last, I'm gonna go ahead and use switch number 2, 30 amps, for my front bumper light bar. Now that I have that all connected, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and connect my red terminal to the red battery terminal. So here it is all connected. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the breaker and we'll give it a test. Alright, so now to install the app, you want to go ahead and look for the app called Switch Panel. And this is the app right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I already downloaded the app, so you want to go ahead and download that. Once you download it, go ahead and hit open. And there's your app right there. For my OEM screen, I only have this. But if I split the screen, then I have the full menu. First thing you want to do is connect to your Bluetooth by clicking that up there. Make sure your Bluetooth is on in your Android device, and you look for controller wired. I don't know if you can see that there, but it says controller wired. That's the Bluetooth device that this puts out, and you're gonna go ahead and connect to it. Once that's connected, you got your screen here, and now I have full control. If you can see this right here, it's set to blue. I can already have preset colors right here: red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, or white. And it's all instantaneous, very quick. You can adjust the brightness from here. You can dim it down manually or have it as bright as you can. You have your color wheel that you can choose multi colors to choose from. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and label everything. We're gonna go ahead and click icon. So my first button here is my full-on light bar. You can take a photo or you can choose the default icon. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for my light bar. There we go. Select that and hit select. Now you have your light bar. And then I can go ahead and place the stickers to coordinate with what I have on the app. My next one is my front bumper light bar. We're gonna go ahead and choose that. Here we go. Bumper light bars. And select that. My third one is those ditch lights. Or windshield lights. Okay. Select that. The rest are blank. Next, we can change the mode. So my first one, that's my light bar. I want that to toggle. So it's just a switch, on and off switch. My second one, for demonstration purposes, we're gonna have that at momentary switch. The third one, my windshield or ditch lights, we're gonna go ahead and change that to pulse. So you can see the 3 dots on the bottom. The first one, they're all amber, meaning they're off. When they turn on, the first one is toggle. It'll turn on green when it's on. Second one is momentary. It'll switch to blue when it's on. And then the third one is pulsed, meaning with flashing. That will turn red when it's on. So I have that all set. And for the bigger picture, let's go ahead and make that big. Now we can go ahead and turn on everything. So we'll have the light bar on. You can see it turns on here and it's red. Next one is momentary. So every time I press it, the light turns on, and you notice it's blue. You can see that, blue. And next would be my pulsed. So I'll start flashing. You can see it's on, it's green. And outside, I'll show you it's flashing. We have your front light bar. Then we have your front bumper. We have your windshield or ditch lights. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.